In just 2 seconds, you are going to be able to create up to 1,000, 2,000 email completely free of charge using this tool that I'm about to reveal to you guys right now. So do well to watch the video to the end. Do not skip any part of it. Let me show you how we can be able to get up to 100 email, tens of email, 1,000 email, 2,000 email in just 2 seconds. This tool is mind-blowing. Okay, so right now guys, remember this video is strictly for educational purpose only. Do not use it for any illegal activity. This tool is for free and this video is for educational purpose only. So without wasting time, let's now go into it. But before I go into it guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please kindly consider subscribing. It helps me and it helps you to keep getting daily doses of important information that is going to be helping you on your everyday life. So without wasting time, let's go into it. So you can use any browser for this, but for me, I'm going to be using my Chrome browser. Now head over to your Chrome browser. Then on your Chrome browser, go ahead to the search bar and type this mail meteor. Okay, type in mail meteor generator. Go ahead and then search for it. Now once it opens up, click on this first one. Now when you click on this first one, you don't even need to sign up. Okay, you don't even need to sign up, but if you want to sign up, that is totally okay. Now with this method right now, you can actually generate up to 2,000 email every single day, and it is rated 5 out of 10,000 review, and it is of course a free plan. Okay, so right now let's get started with mail meteor. So what you need to do right now is very easy. Once you get right here on this first page that you are going to land, go ahead and type in your email. Okay, type in your email address very easily. Okay, let me use a different email. Okay, so with this email right now, I'll just go ahead and click on generate. Now once you click on generate, allow it to generate for you. Now you can see all these emails that you are seeing right here, they are all very active. Now the interesting part is that whoever sends email to this email that is given to me right here, the message is going to be coming straight into this main email address. So with this your main email, you don't need to expose it to anyone. This is going to be helping you to be to keep your main email address very private. Now it will generate all these email addresses for me, and whenever someone sends email or whenever a code is sent to this email address that it has given to me, it will reflect into this main email address. Okay,